Well, let's take a look at this Asian style chili lotus stem recipe today, which is very healthy and easy to make. To start, we'll take some lotus stems, wash it nicely, and then we'll pressure cook it for 2 to 3 whistles. We'll let that come through. Meanwhile, once that's ready, we'll take some olive oil. I've taken olive oil here to stir fry the lotus stems. We'll do that for a couple of minutes till it turns golden brown. Then we'll add some soy sauce, vinegar, sugar. We'll add a couple of more things like Ching's paneer masala, which is a great flavor to add, along with red chili powder, and then of course salt as per your appetite for salt for seasoning. We'll mix it all well together and keep it aside. Then we'll heat up some oil, put some peanuts in there, add some dry chilies as per your appetite for spices. Mix it well, let it turn golden brown, add some garlic to it as well for flavoring, and then again mix it very well on the pan, and then add the lotus stems which you've already fried before. Mix it all well together, and then at the end you'll put the mixture, the liquid mixture that we put together, and of course you'll let it stir fry, and at the end garnish it with some spring onions and white sesame seeds.